YouTube? It's your boy Laylo, man. Back again with another video. You feel me? It's gonna be a quick little video, man. You feel me? It's just gonna be a little update on my truck. You feel? And then really put some things on it. Add some new things. Two new things from the last video. But yeah, man, that's about it. I'm about to show y'all right now. But yeah, here y'all boys have it, man. Here's the Mama Whiskeys, bro. You feel me? Got some new rims, 22s. Sitting on some 285, 35, 22s. I got the emblems, but I don't know if I want to put them in. Yeah, but all 4 new tires, new rims, brand new. Well, it was brand new, but I already put some miles on them, you feel me? Yeah, there it goes, man. And I also got new headlights, which are the LTZs, High Country ones, projector on them. Got the, without the amber, so every time. So they switch, and I put switchbacks on them, which when I lock it, which when they run white, and when I make the turn signal, they turn yellow. But just like now, they turn yellow, and they're fixing to turn white. Well, nah, they didn't turn white, but they turn white. It's a little bit dirty, man. I haven't washed it the inside in a minute. Well, yeah. And then turn white. Turn white on this side. For that all white look, LED look in the front. But yeah, that's about it, man. I don't know if I should get black tail lights and dirt brake light. Y'all drop a comment down below and see what y'all think if I should get them. But I don't know, I kind of like the red. But I also want that all black look, you feel me? But yeah, I don't know if I should paint the calipers red. But there he goes, man. Little video, but that's about it. That'll be it for this video. Showing you just the Mama Whiskeys, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all a little some rollers that I took yesterday. They look way cleaner, man, now. Alright, then I catch y'all on the next video, man. Your boy Laylo. Back at it again, man, but yeah.
Rojo platicando de negocios con amigos y con socios. Así siempre desapercibido, con un porte distinguido y no la hago de misterioso. Soy bastante bueno y bondadoso, pero si le topetean soy bastante belicoso. Me gustan mucho las desveladas y con toditas las damas bastante caballeroso. Me salí muy plebe de mi rancho de Pénjamo, Guanajuato, y me les vine de inmediato. Nunca me gustó esa vida dura y me vine a la calentura para empezar la aventura. No sabía mucho de la doctrina, ustedes ya se imaginan de la vida malandrina. Pero con esfuerzo y con trabajo sube lo que estaba abajo y le agradezco al que me trajo. Carros, lujos y también dinero, la música en el estéreo ya se volvieron costumbre.